Ford Mustang 2019. This is what it sounds like before. It's a V6. V6, right? This is before we do a muffler delete on it. Go ahead. As you guys can see, sound decibels 98. Let you guys hear it after. We showed you guys before what it sounds like. 16 Mustang V6. So this is after. We got two converters, stock, factory resonator in the middle, then 2 1/4 pipe all the way back. We did a rear muffler delete there and there into 4-inch rolled tips out the back on this side and this side. There's the 2 stock mufflers we cut off. There it is, what it looks like after. That's how you do a muffler delete on these. And we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. There it is. Still has the resonator on it. Much better. Oh, yeah. Sound decibels? 113, bro. Again? Go ahead and back out. That sounds good, man. You see the tips, how they make a huge difference in sound.
Yeah. I hear it.
It's quiet when it sits stuck under that resonator.
Yeah, I hear it.
And it's a 6-speed manual. Ford Mustang. Let you guys hear on the inside. Ford Mustang. Again. Ford Mustang. Have a good one, man. Enjoy it. Hey, make it go sideways.
So I can't.
Come on, man.
I just got the car.
I don't care. What's the point of it if you're not going to make it go sideways?